Whoa, we got another package, or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Venture Surplus. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. This is actually the bottom of the box, so I'm going to actually turn it over here and give me a little opening advantage. Let's see if we can get a manifest out of here. Okay. So there's a little piece of cardboard right here to help guard against cutting damage. And looks like we have a sticker. Thank you, Venture Surplus. And their manifest comes in the form of a sticker, probably because they print the shipping label along with it. Let's go ahead and empty the contents and make things a little easier. Looks like they have little SKU tags on their items. Some of their items are bagged. And then we have a whole bunch of loose items and some bagged items. Alright, that's it. We're at the bottom. So get that out of the way. Let's just start with the easiest one, this biggie right here. We have the USGI military poncho liner Woobie blanket, new BDU. I think they're meant interchangeably with Woodland. Sometimes it gets substituted for the term BDU. Let's go ahead and get it open. Ooh, it is new, alright. Got a nice shiny feel to it. Big hems, tie strings, traditional style, but this is new. Very crisp new label. Liner, wet weather poncho. Lot numbers, barcode. Pretty stiff, we might remove that. And some instructions on usage. Let's see. Winston-Salem Industries for the Blind Inc. is the manufacturer. So it's totally new. Can't see through it. Nice. So the guy sells a new Woobie. Next up, let's just go for the next sized bag item here. This should be a BDU load-bearing vest, Woodland Camo, used. So it's used, but it is bagged as an inventory item, I guess. Okay. Looks like it's already assembled. So here's our cross back strap. We have some ink markings stamped diagonally onto there. We have metal fittings. Let's see if they're magnetic. Yes, they are. Good to know. And then we're coming down to the lower back connector. Here we have two buckles. Looks like one is assembled D facing out, the other with the D facing in. Interesting how that's done. Somebody had it set up. Here we have, it's like someone braided the extra cord. You can see the cord locks used there. This style of vest has the dangling snap connectors. It looks like we have sewn-on pouches. That's the style at the time. So we got some upper pouches. We have stacked up there and dangling lower pouch at the bottom. Okay. Pretty symmetrical on the pouch layout. And there is a label. It is pretty beat up. Vest, tactical load bearing. And then laundry instructions. 100% nylon looks like. Cannot tell who the manufacturer is, unfortunately. Looks like initials right there. Look like maybe EC1, FC1. I'm not gonna totally commit to that. Looks like taped. X on the slack. Very interesting. Okay. Not feeling anything actually stowed away in any of these pockets. Shoulder pads. So again, EDU load-bearing vest, Woodland Camo. Get a little bit of space back here. And then we're going to have a whole bunch of these separate items here. Let's go ahead and see, go through these one by one. One of these we're supposed to have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are supposed to be 4 of the Eagle Industries Pop Flare pouch in the up position, Khaki. So based on the MOLLE snap, if this was facing down, then this pocket would actually be facing up, as you can see here. So you can see the amount of space that this actually holds. Pretty interesting. And a large pop flare, but in the up position. If it was a down flare with the snap here, the pocket would actually be this way, so that if you popped it, it would actually release the flap. It would drop freely into your hand to save you a little bit of time as opposed to trying to fish it out of the pocket. So it depends on what your usage needs are. Label wise, that's one of the labels there. Pop flare, PCH single up, pouch. This one, the label is sewn under the MOLLE straps. Same with this one, and the fourth one, same with that one. So out of the 4, one of these actually has the, maybe not, 1, 2, no, I might be misreading that. Nope, there it is. Interesting. So this one has the label sewn on the MOLLE strap as opposed to the pouch itself. But we got 4 of those. Next up, we have, I believe, in USGI M1956 Field Pack Suspenders used large. We take off this rubber band put on for shipping. I have a rubber band. Alright, so kind of an H harness. Lots of slack here. Hook points. 2 of them brass. Just need a little bit of cleaning up. Nice oxidation there to bring it a little bit more dark finish. The other fittings, brass as well, very nice. Yep. Sticker there. So no steel at all, not even these, probably aluminum ends. So M1956 Field Pack Suspenders large. I'm hooked on something. Right. So let's see, then we have a bunch of these. So let's see how this plays out here. Alright, so looks like ordered one set of Eagle Industries MOLLE strap extender, set of 2 new Khaki, and the other pair is going to be Eagle Industries shoulder strap adapters, set of 2 new Khaki. So maybe I can actually figure out from the part numbers. This is the NKH2 14158. So these are the strap extenders, if I'm reading the part numbers correctly. So one end is just looped up strap. And then snapped together. Same likewise with this one. So that's how that would connect onto possibly a ring, D-ring, or another strap crosswise possibly. And then we have buckle connectors here. These by elimination will be the 2043s. Yep, 2043 NKH, which will be the Eagle Industry shoulder strap adapter, set of 2, and then new in the Khaki. So these will connect on either through the loop or from Velcro or hook and latch to hook and latch sandwich. And then these can connect to possibly these, depending on how these are sandwiched in, whichever orientation they go. So, as a set like that. Likewise with this one, we'll just set them up in the opposite way. Alright, so 2 of those. So backtracking, we just went through one set of Eagle Industries shoulder strap adapters, set of 2 new in Khaki, the other being strap extender, set of 2 new in Khaki. And we also have the USGI M1956 Field Pack Suspenders, used large size. We also had 4 of the Eagle Industries pop pouch in the up position. And then we also had, turning this list over, 1 BDU load-bearing vest, Woodland Camo, used. And then we started off with a USGI military poncho liner Woobie blanket, new BDU, or a Woodland Camo I would call it. And these all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items, Venture Surplus. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.